Sambhal police conduct flag march, monitor Holi celebrations with drones. Amidst Holi celebrations in Uttar Pradesh, Sambhal, Circle Officer Anuj Chowdhury led a flag march along with other police personnel to ensure the law and order situation in the district. The Circle Officer Chowdhury said that the police are monitoring the situation through foot patrolling and drone surveillance. We are conducting foot patrolling and drone surveillance, he told ANI on Friday. Other than police, paramilitary forces also conducted a flag march in Sambhal, whereas the administration is using drones for proper monitoring of the situation in the district. Earlier, Sambhal MP Ziaur Rahman Burke urged people of all the communities to maintain peace and harmony ahead of the Juma and Holi celebrations. He appealed to Hindus to celebrate Holi with enthusiasm while being mindful of mosques and requested Muslims to offer prayers at nearby mosques and avoid areas where the festival of colors is being celebrated if they prefer. Posting his appeal on social media yesterday, Rahman wrote, I request everyone that the holy month of Ramzan Sharif is going on and tomorrow is Friday. It is also a festival of Holi. I request the Muslim brothers to offer prayers at the nearest mosque and avoid going to a place where colors are thrown. I also request the Hindu brothers to celebrate their festival with joy and enthusiasm while taking care of our mosques and people. Rahman emphasized that his call for peace was not out of fear of the police but to promote communal harmony and the progress of the city. I appeal to both communities not to do anything that hurts anyone's sentiments. I am saying this not out of fear of the police, administration, or government, but for the sake of mutual brotherhood, peace, and the progress of the city, state, and country, he wrote. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.